Hi everyone, today we will see the recipe of hot chocolate milk and it's perfect for winters. If you like this recipe then give a thumbs up to this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And now let's take a look to ingredient first. So first here I am taking 300 ml full fat milk. Also this 31 grams of dark chocolate, I am using Cadbury Bonville, it's 50% dark. 2 teaspoons of sugar. 2 teaspoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, I am using Cadbury brand, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon or dalchini powder, it's optional. Now in a pan, heat 300 ml full fat or whole milk. Bring this to a boil. Once the milk start boiling, we are going to add dark chocolate. I am using 31 gram Cadbury Bonville here. And now in this add rest of all ingredients. You can use dark chocolate compound also, but trust me, compound chocolate is not going to give you that real chocolate taste and that amazing flavor. Now mix this well and you need to cook it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Look at the beautiful color and it looks so rich and creamy. This hot chocolate is ready to be served. You can serve it right away. It's perfect for winter and taste and smell awesome. And now enjoy! Hope you like this recipe. Do try this and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.